Hello, sorry. I got a little trouble with the signal.
Thank you, everyone. Uh, Before we start the lesson, let's try together playing sad. Finish. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mahedi. I'm sorry, I forgot it. It's been a while. Usually, when we get a course in the field, it's normal for us to take a break before the action. But when we are on this virtual room, sometimes we forget about it. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, for the first, I want no Imade Braja Mandala Bumi. Made, are you here?
Okay, thank you for the time.
Okay.
Uh, Introduce. My name is Made Brajamandala Bumidas. I am from Ujungan Village, Tabanan
Sorry?
Regency. Ujungan Village,
Okay.
Tabanan Regency in Bali.
Mm.
My birthday on 30 November 2002.
Mm.
My hobby playing badminton. Thank you, Sir.
Okay, badminton. Next, Irfan. Time's your Irfan. Irfan, are you in?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Irfan. I am from South Sulawesi, and I am 17 years old, and my hobby is playing volleyball.
Volleyball.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next, Hasbi Asidiki.
Okay, sure. Allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Muhammad Hasbi Asidiki. You can call me Hasbi. NIM 21160110005. I am from in Banyuwangi. My favorite is playing volleyball and silat. Thank you, sir.
Banyuwangi.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Hasbi. Number 4, Komang Cynthia Purnama Dewi. Okay, the first ladies. Indeed. Okay.
Thank you for the time. Introduce myself. My name is Komang Cynthia Purnama Dewi. You can call me Cynthia. I live in Jembrana Regency. My hobby is playing volleyball. Thank you.
Okay, volleyball. Next, the Putu Mahedi. Okay, Putu.
Okay. Thank you for the time for me. Introduce myself. My name is Putu Mahedi, and you can call me Putu or Mahedi. I'm from Kintamani Felix or Bangli Regency. My hobby is football and run. Okay, thank you, sir.
Football and running. Okay. So you have basic in athletic. Mahedi. Your hobbies football and running. That's
yes,
right.
And running, sir. Yes.
So do you have any experience in athletic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mahedi.
You are welcome.
Next, Wayan Pujasari. Wayan Pujasari.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the time for me. I want to introduce myself. My name is Niwayan Pujasari. I'm from Besaki Village in Karangasem Regency. My hobby is running and playing basketball.
Running.
Yes.
You are an athlete? Athlete?
Yes.
Athletic.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what kind of number? Sprinting or another number?
Jarak menengah.
Jarak menengah. Oh, distance running. Okay. Kak Dewayan Pujasari. Ya. Besakih ya? Besakih. Okay, near Bromai. I'm from Rendang. Maybe Rendang. Okay, next. Okay, thank you. Puja. Alifuddin Putra Setia. Alif.
Okay, sir. My name is Alifuddin Putra Setia. I am from Sukabumi Regency on West Java.
Okay, Sukabumi.
I'm born West 3 Juli 2003, and my basic skill is setter volleyball. Thank you.
Volleyball.
Yes, sir.
Okay, volleyball. I need to take a note for. Okay, thank you, Alif. Next, Eka Putrayasa. Eka.
Good morning, sir, and everybody. Thank for time to me. Introduce, my name is Eka Putrayasa. You can call me Eka. I'm from Bonding Village or Bulerang Regency. My hobby is play badminton and run. My basic sport is athletic, number run sprinter. Thank you.
Oh, we got it. Eka Putra sprinter. Okay. Komang Putri Wulandari, number 9.
Okay, thank you for the time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nikomang Putri Wulandari. You can call me Putri. I am from Jembrana Regency. I live in Malaya. My hobby is taekwondo.
Taekwondo, fighting.
Yeah.
Okay, fighting, combat sport, fighting. Thank you, Putri. The next, Dwi Sanayasa. Dwi Sanayasa.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the time. My name is Gusti Ngurah Made Sanayasa. You can call me Gusti. I'm from in Buleleng Regency, exactly in Sadewa Street, number 2. My hobby is playing badminton, and I born 20 November 2002. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you, Dwi Sanayasa. And next, number 11, Rahmawati Junaidi.
Okay, introduce myself. My name is Mahayani Rahmawati Junaidi, and my hobby is futsal and pencaksilat.
Oh, futsal. Yeah. Okay. Where are you come from, Rahma?
Bandung.
Bandung. Bandung. Okay. Okay, thank you, Rahma.
Okay.
Bandung. Next, Gede Agus Saputra. Gede.
Okay, sir. Thanks for the time. I want to introduce myself. My name is Gede Agus Saputra. I'm from Bonding Village, Buleleng Regency. My basic in the sport is badminton and pencaksilat. My basic in the athletic is triple jump. Okay, that's all about me. Thank you.
Oh, you have an experience in triple jump?
Yes, just up to SMP.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Thank you. Good day. Good day. Next, Kadek Dwi. Please introduce yourself. Kadek Dwi.
Om Swastiastu.
Swastiastu, correct.
Introduce myself. My name is Ikade Dwi Putra Adnyana. You can call me Dwi Putra. I am 18 years old. I am from Tumuku village in Bangli region. My hobby playing futsal and freestyle football. Thank you.
Futsal and
freestyle football.
Oh, freestyle football. Okay. Thank you. Next, number 14, Kadek Ratna.
Well, good morning all.
Good morning.
Thank you, Mr. Nyoman, for the opportunity that's given to me. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kadek Ratna. You can call me Ratna. I'm from Pakistan Village, Buleleng Regency, Kubutaman District. I was born on 8 September 2001, and my basic sport is sepak takraw.
Oh,
thank you.
Sepak takraw. Your senior is here.
Yes, Ria and Karin.
Yeah. They are in Papua, no? Yeah. Okay. Good. Next, Deva Octaviana.
Yes, sir. Introduce myself. My name Deva Octaviana. You can call me Deva. I'm from Denpasar City and I live Gatot Subroto Street. And my hobby swimming. Thank you.
Okay, Gatot Subroto. Thank you, Denpasar. Handika Prasetyo. Time's your Handika.
Thanks for the time, sir. My name is Handika Prasetyo. You can call me Andika. I'm 18 years old. I was born on Negara 25 April 2003. My hobby is playing badminton and volleyball. I live in Melaya Village, Jembrana Regency. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Andika. Diva Rivaldo Sembiring Milala. Diva, are you in this room? Okay.
Diva is internet not good, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mahedi, for the confirmation. Diva, maybe next after he got the good signal, she or he is Diva Rivaldo Sembiring. Oh, I think he's a man. Next, Krisnaya Adi Mahatma. Krisnaya.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Krisnaya Adi Mahatma. You can call me Kangha. I come from Singaraja City. I live in Ansuran Village. I am from program studi S1 Physical Education, Health and Recreation. I was born 29 October 2002. My hobby is playing badminton and playing game PUBG. Thank you.
Krishna, it's really interesting, your background. Yeah, I think it's music background. It's like an album. You like music, yeah?
Yes.
Krishna? Okay, I can see from this background. Okay, after Krishna, Wayan Rina Darmayanti. Rina.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Nyoman and everyone. My name is Rina Darmayanti. I live in Temesi Village at Gianyar Regency.
Temesi, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
For now, I like to play rugby at Gianyar. Thank you.
Oh, you're a rugby athlete of Gianyar. Okay. Rugby. The athlete like to fight with each other. Okay, good for your physical. Okay, next. Jeremia Gabriel Gultom.
Good morning, all.
Morning. Yeah.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Jeremy Gabriel Gutom. You can call me Jere, and I am 18 years old. I'm from Medan, North Sumatra. And from my basic sport is futsal. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Jere. Thank you. Okay, Jeremy. The last two, Freddy. Dwi Saputra, Freddy.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Okay.
My name is Freddy Dwi Saputra. You can call me Freddy. I am from Banyuwangi. My hobby is playing futsal and climbing mountain. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Freddy. The last one, Iwayan Krishna Ananda Kusuma. Please introduce yourself. Okay.
Okay, thank you for the time. My name is Iwayan Krishna Ananda Kusuma. I'm from Blungkung. My hobby playing futsal and baseball.
Futsal and
baseball.
Baseball. Okay. That's all, Ananda. Okay, thank you, Ananda. Okay, so that's all of you. I can see the basic of you. Some of you already have an experience in athletics. Sometimes when you read the when you read the books or article or information news in internet, maybe the term is not athletic but track and field. You will find the term track and field, sometimes athletic, sometimes track and field. But when we are on the competition like pond, like port prop, we call it track and field event because it's held in the track and also in the field. Okay. From this list, 22 students, only one person who was not introduced themselves. Maybe for the next meeting. Okay. For today, for the first material, the content of our first lesson is about sprinting. For the short distance running, maybe I found Puja. She is a distance runner, and also Eka sprinter. Mahedi also have experience in this sport. Okay. For the sprinting number, there are three main. We can divide it in three numbers. Like the first is 100 dash, 100 meter dash, and then 200 meters, and also 400 meters. 400 meters, we still count it as a sprinting event. So there are three main events in sprinting number: 100 dash, and then 200 dash or 200 sprinting, and also 400 meters sprint. We still see sprinting on 400 meters run. Yeah. Okay. Eka basically is a sprinter. So I want you to explain this number. What you can explain to your friend about your specialization in sprinting. So you can track everything about this number. time is your Eka. I'll give you a chance to explain your specialization in this kind of sport. Okay, Eka. Eka Putra ya. Okay.
Okay, thank you for time to me, sir.
Yeah.
I will explain the aquatic run distance, short distance. Athletic number substance is running is run for my use Indonesia, sir.
Okay, we allowed to use bilingual, so we can explain in Indonesia, and maybe when we have some trouble with English, you can speak in Indonesia. Me also like that. When I didn't get what the English, I will speak in Indonesia. That's okay. We are always for that. Okay. Okay.
Athletic number short distance is cabang olahraga salah satu cabang olahraga jarak pendek yang memiliki jarak tempuh cukup pendek sehingga membutuhkan waktu yang pendek untuk mencapai garis finish. Dan perlombaan lari jarak pendek ini terbilang cukup cepat karena jaraknya yang pendek, sehingga stat lari jarak pendek ini sangat mempengaruhi atau sangat dibutuhkan kefokusan supaya tidak ketinggalan start. Dan kemenangan atau juara dalam perlombaan lari jarak pendek ini akan ditentukan oleh atlet tercepat. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Eka Putra. What is the difference between what is the basic difference between sprinting and middle distance running? Middle distance running here, Puja is the middle distance running. Can you explain what is the difference between the sprinting event like 100, 200, and 400 meters? If we compare it with the distance running like 800 or 3,000 and meter running. I want Puja to try to explain it. What is the difference between? Puja?
Baik, saya akan menjelaskan dalam bahasa Indonesia ya Bapak.
Ya, silakan.
Perbedaannya adalah pertama yaitu start. Dalam lari jarak pendek menggunakan start medium, bound start, and yang lagi satu saya lupa. Dan kalau lari jarak menengah menggunakan start berdiri. Kemudian untuk kecepatan berlari berbeda. Yang jarak cepat itu menggunakan lari secepat-cepatnya, sedangkan lari jarak menengah tidak begitu cepat karena jarak yang dibutuhkan, yang dilalui lumayan jauh. Kemudian cara menapakkan kaki juga berbeda dari jarak sprint, begitu, Pak.
Okay, thank you, Puja, for your explanation. Okay, Puja, I also want Mahedi to try to explain or try to we want to discuss what is the difference between sprinting and middle distance running. Mahedi.
Yes,
okay.
Thank you. I can to the speak Indonesian, brother. Yes.
Okay.
Oke, sir. Jadi lari jarak pendek dibandingkan dengan lari jarak menengah dan bahkan lari jarak jauh. Yang pertama di sini kita fokus ke jarak pendek. Jadi lari jarak pendek di mana kita melakukan aktivitas lari atau perlombaan lari dengan kekuatan dan pemanfaatan lari yang semaksimal mungkin agar mencapai finish dengan cepat. Jadi dalam lari jarak pendek itu menggunakan start jongkok, yakni ada 3 start, yaitu medium, long, and long start, medium, and
burn start.
Start, yes. Sedangkan lari jarak menengah yang saya tahu menggunakan sebelumnya lari jarak pendek itu terdiri dari lintasan lari yakni dari 100 meter, 200 dan 400 meter. Sedangkan kalau jarak menengah itu terdiri dari hanya 2 lintasan atau perlombaan yakni 800 dan 400 dan 800 meter sampai 1500 meter. Nah, di sana menggunakan start berdiri dan selebihnya setelah dari 800 ke 1500 meter itu merupakan lari jarak jauh atau maraton, yakni 5.000 sampai per kilometer. Thank you, sir.
Oke, makasih Mahedi. Okay, any other of you, I allow you to give some your opinion about this. If any one of you wanna give wanna explain, yang lain kalau ada yang mau memberikan pendapat, silakan.
Yes, sir. I have an opinion.
Alifuddin, silakan.
Maybe I can speak in Indonesia.
Oke.
Jadi Bapak yang Alif tangkap untuk lari sprint itu, jadi kita sekaligus untuk menghabiskan seluruhnya pada waktu yang sama karena pendek ya Bapak. Jadi langsung sekaligus gitu. Misalnya dipulkan. Kalau untuk distance running atau lari jarak menengah yang middle itu lebih kepada ketahanan tubuh dalam mempertahankan kecepatan. Ya Bapak, mungkin hanya seperti itu yang dapat saya simpulkan. Mungkin dari teman yang lain ada
Oke, bagus. Good, Putra. Another view about the difference between short distance running and medium and also long distance running. Okay, any others opinion? No? Okay, good. What is the basic difference between the short distance running, like we call it sprinting, 100 meters and 200 meters, 400 meters also sprinting event. When we compare it, ketika kita membandingkan dengan middle distance running, lari jarak menengah ataupun lari jarak jauh, ada beberapa perbedaan mendasar. Yang pertama, the first is the start technical in start. It's really different. In the sprinting event, we use crouch start jongkok. We use it. In the middle running, di jarak menengah, kita menggunakan start berdiri. Jarak jauh, long distance running, kita menggunakan lari start berdiri. Itu perbedaan yang pertama. Jadi start teknik sangat berbeda. Start jongkok, kemudian start berdiri. Dan di event lain seperti ada 3 jenis start yang kita kenal sebenarnya. Ada jongkok, berdiri, dan start melayang atau start sambil berlari. Itu pelari start itu digunakan pada saat lari sambung atau estafet. Estafet pelari ke 2, 3, 4 itu menggunakan start melayang. Mereka sambil berlari startnya gitu. Nah, selain itu, the other differences between this number is lintasan, the lane. In the sprinting event, the runner should run in their own lane for all the distance covered. Jadi mereka semua harus berlari tetap di lintasannya. Kalau itu lari jarak pendek, sprinting. Sebagai contoh 100 meter. Dari start sampai finish kan mereka larinya di lintasannya saja. Ada nggak yang pindah lintasan? Enggak kan? Ya, oke. Dan that's prohibited, terlarang untuk atlet berlari ke lintasan yang lain. They have to run in their own lane. 100 meter, 200, 400 meter, they have to run on their own lane. But in the middle distance running, they can run all over in the track. So, mereka bisa berlari di semua area track itu. Jadi tidak harus berlari di tracknya. Kalau kamu dapat lintasan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sampai 7 atau 8, harus tetap berlari di sana ketika kita berlomba di lari jarak pendek, sprinting number. Tapi di jarak menengah, kita bisa berlari di lintasan manapun. Setelah start, kemudian ada biasanya, kalau untuk yang nomor lebih tinggi lagi, 1005 itu, dia setelah start, dia bisa langsung masuk. Startnya barengan. Tapi untuk 800, dia harus berada di lintasan dulu, 1 putaran, setelah itu bisa bergabung ke lintasan manapun dia ambil. Gitu. That's the next difference between this number. Okay, and also the difference between this kind of number, short, medium, atau long distance running is the technical in run. It's different, the technical of running, of runner. In the sprinting event, the athlete should run with all of their ability of run. They run in their top speed for all time. Ya, jadi mereka berlari pada kecepatan maksimalnya pada seluruh waktu itu. 100, 200, 400, mereka tetap pada top speednya untuk berlari. 400 mungkin sudah mulai mengatur ke daya tahan, kecepatan. Gitu. Kalau sudah naik lebih dari 400, 800, mereka lebih banyak kecepatan. Langkahnya akan beda, langkahnya lebih panjang, lebih lambat. Tapi kalau untuk lari jarak sprinting sprinting langkahnya cepat, lebih pendek biasanya langkahnya dibandingkan lari jarak menengah atau jarak jauh maraton. Akan berbeda sekali. Kecondongan badan juga berbeda. Cara berlari yang pasti berbeda. Kalau sprinting mereka agak membungkuk, apalagi di awal start, membungkuknya hampir 45 derajat kebungkukan badan sampai akhirnya mungkin di 60-70 meter dia baru tegak badannya. Sedangkan di lari middle distance running mereka tetap badannya tetap tegak berdiri. Itu perbedaannya di teknik lari, and also the different of course in the rule. Peraturannya sangat berbeda. You can explore what the difference between this kind of three kind of running model: sprinting, distance running, middle distance running, and also long distance running. Okay. For the next, I want you to read this. Okay, I will share you the link so you can read. I will share on the group, WhatsApp group. I took an article in Wikipedia, so I shared the link in the group. This is for your task at home. You have to read the article about this content, the content of our first meeting, first course, today's course. Oke. Jadi untuk hari ini Pak Rasa Pak hanya ingin memberikan perkenalan terkait dengan perkuliahan ini dan sedikit materi tentang lari jarak pendek dan perbedaannya dengan lari jarak menengah dan lari jarak jauh. Nah, kemudian untuk tugas kalian, silakan nanti dibaca yang Pak berikan, share linknya itu Wikipedia-nya saja itu, di sana kan sudah terlihat apa saja perbedaannya, kemudian nanti dasar-dasarnya seperti apa, ada sedikit di sana terkait dengan nomor-nomor lari cabang atletik ini. Ya, itu tugas untuk kalian selanjutnya. Hari ini Pak hanya bisa mengisi 1 jam saja, karena setelah ini Pak ada visitasi. Jadi mohon maaf kalau pertemuannya hanya sampai 1 jam saja. Ya, jadi mohon permakluman karena Pak harus mengikuti visitasi dulu jam 9, sebenarnya ini 8.30, masih 30 menit untuk persiapan visitasi itu Pak harus menyiapkan sekarang karena wajib sekarang itu dilakukan. Okay, so for today I think this class, we finish this class, and I want you to learn the topic that I send you the link in the group WhatsApp, and we will meet again next week with the same topic. So we will explain and try to find the deeply about the short distance running. Okay, I think I want to say thank you for all of you, and I'm sorry if in this session ada kesalahan yang Pak lakukan. Kemudian kita akan bertemu lagi minggu depan. Ya, sebelum Pak tutup, ada pertanyaan? Any question?
Not, sir.
Oke, terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Thank you for your attention and see you next week.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. To us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Kita berdoa lagi, sir.
Oke, silakan, Mahedi pimpin.
Okay, last meeting in from today. After we finish in the lesson, let's try together. Playing start. Finish. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you for the time.